Hello and welcome to Caching Waves. This is an update for XRP. Just posting this because I have a short order set to trigger. I wanted to give you guys the opportunity to see my Elliott Wave count. If you watched my videos a long time ago, about a month or two, you know we were looking for this move up before collapsing. And it's followed it pretty much to a T, what we're expecting. I'll show you that in a moment. But this is on the daily, looking for this to turn into a ending diagonal and complete this as a ABC, making potentially lower lows, but targets at 13.69 cents on Binance accordingly right now. I'm moving down to the 4-hour chart. If you go back and check my XRP videos, this is the move we were looking for. We got the 1.618 extension of the W wave for our Y, stopped at the 618. You can see in red there of this move down, pretty much to the T on linear scale. At which point it appears we have a leading diagonal here, followed by another 1-2 with a flat correction. So if this is going to play out, expecting this to absolutely collapse within the next, what do we have there, a couple weeks. So this was an interesting correction. We did get that move, if you remember. We had this as a triangle, and then we had a double zigzag here for our Y wave. Flat followed by a double zigzag for WXY. That was a tough one in the middle. But looking for this next move for our C wave to become a impulse. We have our 1-2. We have our second 1-2 hit the 0.618 extension. You can see in white, looking for a third wave to come down between the 1.618 and the 200. Then a correction for our fourth at 53.43 cents around the 100, looking for our fifth wave, most likely to the 2.618. And that's the 1-to-1 extension of this A wave off this B wave for our C wave, for our wave 1 down in the ending diagonal. Now going even closer, I'll show you where I'm going to get my entry. But first of all, I'm not in this currently. I'm waiting to get triggered in. I need the market to confirm this as a possibility, and I'll show you that in a moment. But there is a way this becomes bullish, because the whole market is bullish, and that's if this is an A wave here. We come down slightly, which does come our way in our short setup. But after this, we reject to the upside, come back down, and take off this way. That would be where this is a three-wave pattern. We then make some sort of correction in between, most likely a flat if it's super bullish. And then we have a connecting wave of these two, creating a larger corrective move to the upside. So keeping that in mind, but the opportunity is there, and I'm going to take the trade opportunity when it's available. Now I'm going to go down to the 5-minute level to show you my trade entry. So have this as a one. Let me zoom out here. That's too close. Going to the 1 hour. So have this as a leading diagonal. A series of zigzags, ABC, ABC, ABC for our 1. We then had a three-wave move, ABC, and it looks like we had 5 waves down here. So that's a second 1-2, and then it looks like we had a three-wave A, three-wave B, and an ending diagonal for our C. So that's a pretty weak move if this is a 1-2 with a running flat in between. As you can see, this wave here is starting to collapse. That's my trigger for my entry for the short. And I'm going to show you that on MEXC, which is what I'm trading it on. So I have a trigger to short at 1 tick below this pivot. So I have my short open at 6076, and my stop is 1 tick above this pivot at 6259 is my stop. Target's all the way down at 38 cents currently. Expecting it to go actually lower than that, but just going off the standard extensions for Elliott Wave for the moment. So this is my entry. You can see it's a 12-to-1 risk reward potentially. and shorting 5,500 XRP for the caching waves account, which started at 10K. That's a $100 risk on this trade only. And here is my triggered. So as soon as we drop below 6.76, I'm in this entry. Stop is at 6259, target at 3,800. And you can see that there. So we lose $100, profit 1251 if this plays out as expected. So just waiting for that to trigger. And anyways, I'm going to post this real quick. Make sure to subscribe if you want to follow along with this trade and updates on other coins. All right, guys, thanks for watching.